Old system versus new system. Banks versus blockchain. So, which one wins? The answer is not as simple as you think. Most people treat this like a battle. They think blockchain will replace banks, or banks are still the only thing you can trust. So they pick a side. But this mindset creates confusion because these two systems were designed to solve different problems. Banks are built for convenience. They help you store money, send payments easily, access financial services. Everything is fast, simple, and familiar. Blockchain, on the other hand, is built for transparency and control. It allows transactions without needing a central authority. You don't need a bank to verify or approve anything. The system itself does that. Let's compare them simply. With banks, you trust the institution. They manage your money. They approve transactions. It's easy, but you rely on a middleman. With blockchain, you control your assets directly. Transactions are recorded publicly. No central authority involved. It's more transparent, but it also requires more responsibility. So, it's not about better or worse. It's about trade-offs. This is where things get interesting. The future is likely not one replacing the other. It's a hybrid. Banks are already adopting blockchain technology, and blockchain projects are building more user-friendly systems, because each side solves what the other lacks. Banks equal ease of use. Blockchain equals transparency and control. Together, they can create something stronger. So, instead of asking, which one should I choose? Ask, what do I need this for? Start by understanding both. Learn how banks work. Learn how blockchain works. Compare them. Use the right tool for the right situation. Because blindly choosing one side limits your options. At the end of the day, this isn't a war. It's an evolution. And the smartest users aren't loyal to one system. They understand both and use them wisely. Because understanding always beats choosing sides.